confession time. When I first started selling my painted and refinished furniture pieces, I had absolutely no idea what to sell them for. It was just a hobby that I had started out, and I was finding my pieces for free most of the time. So all I was really able to look at were like the cost of the things that I was putting on it and in the piece. And so I was selling my pieces for way too little, and I quickly found that out when I did a custom piece for someone, and they literally paid me more than I asked them to because they were like, "You worked really hard on that. I think you deserve more." I was like, maybe I'm doing something wrong here. So if that's you and you have no idea where to start, don't worry, you are not alone, but I'd like to offer some help. I'm launching for the first time my online course, Refinish Your Future, 4 weeks to a profitable furniture flipping side hustle, where I'm going to be teaching all about pricing, as well as everything you need to know about running a furniture flipping side hustle. We're going to talk marketing, we're going to talk getting clients, coming back to you for more. We're going to talk trying to grow your business, keeping your expenses down and your profit margins high. We're going to talk about having the right mindset of running a furniture flipping side hustle, because a lot of us don't feel like we deserve or should be business owners, but I know you have it in you. So join me. I'd love to offer some support, some accountability to get these things done that you need to get done, and to cheer you on as you go into this next chapter of your business. If you're interested in learning more, you can head to my bio and click the link. Leave any questions that you might have and follow for more.